Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." But only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks went on the breeze, flying high above the trees. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." But only one little duck came back. One little duck was all alone, waddling back to their home. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." But no little ducks came back. Mama duck cried quack, quack loud, echoed over hill and cloud. Then all 5 ducks came running fast. Home again, they're safe at last.